Hi viewers, I am Nadeem.
Question number 13. PQRS is a rectangle in which PQ 10 centimeter and PS 6 centimeter. So first of all you have to draw the rectangle, that is your rectangle. In this you can see here that is PQ PQRS, that is your rectangle. And if you read the statement, T is a point on PQ such that RST is an isosceles triangle, RST. So T is a point that is exists on PQ, that is T is a point, so due to which whose equal sides are RS and ST, find RT, whose equal sides are RS, that is this one, RS, and ST, RS this side and ST, these sides are equal sides, and that is your R. We have to find this side RT. We have to find this side RT, because in your question it is given that we have to find RT. So it means RT, that is equal to, if I take this triangle, that is TQR. So here that is your altitude A, that is your base B, and that is your C. So it means that is equal to C, and we have to find this. So it means that since by Pythagoras theorem, that is C square is equal to A square plus B square. So we have to find the value of that is your this side is given, that is your A side. If in this triangle we can see that is your A, which is equal to 6, that is your base B, and the full length up to this, you can see here, this length is given to you, that is 10 centimeter. So it means these two sides are equal, which is this one also known as C. This is also your 10 centimeter. So because the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, so this one is 10 centimeter, this one is also 10 centimeter. So it means now we have to find the value of RT. So first you should know that as T is a point on PQ, T is a point on PQ, that's such that first we have to find PT. It means if I am able to find this first, if I am able to find this side, that is PT, which is known as B, so then you will be able to find, because this side is also 10, because it is known as isosceles triangle, it is given to us, that is RS is equal to ST. So it means if it is 10 centimeter, then C is also 10 centimeter. So it means these two sides are known to you, this side is also known to you, that is your 6 centimeter. So it means you can find this side, that is a greenish portion. That is, if you take this triangle, that triangle you should take first to solve this triangle. So you can say that in triangle PTS, you have to find B. So therefore the value of B is C square minus A square. So putting the values in this triangle, you can see the value of C is 10 square minus the value of A is 6 square, that is your B square. B means PT. B means PT. It should be noted that actually it is your PT. To understand in a better way, that is PT. Okay, now 10 tens are 100, 6 is 36, and you will get 64. So you need the value of B, that is PT. So it will be in under root form. So you will get Now it's okay. Now you can see here 8 are 64. So the value of B, it means that is PT is equal to 8 centimeter. So it means you have to find the value of RT. It means you should know this portion. What is the value of this portion? Now in this triangle, you have to find the value of C, that is RT, but it should be very much clear. If I have the value of this side, so the whole side is 10, and this side just now you have calculated, that is your 8 centimeters. So what is this? So this side will be equal to, that is your QT, that is equal to 10 minus 8. So you will get this, the whole side, whole length is 10. This value just now you have calculated, that is your 8 centimeters. So minus it, so 10 minus 8, so you will get 2 centimeters. So it means the value of, therefore the value of TQ is equal to 2 centimeter. Now this side having also 6 centimeter, because opposite sides are equal. So it means now you are able to calculate the value of C, that is RT. Now we have to find RT, that is equal to C, that is equal to sign of interrogation. So in this triangle, since by Pythagoras theorem, C is equal to A square plus B square. So putting the values, the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 2. So 6 is 36, 4, and you will get 40 under root the value of C. So the value of C is equal to 6.32 centimeter. So that is your result, because you have to find RT. So coming to the question number 14. In question number 14, read the statement. PQRS is a rectangle in which PQ is 9 centimeter and PS is equal to 6 centimeter. T is a point PQ such that PT is 7 and RV is the perpendicular from R to ST. Calculate ST and RV. So it means we have to find ST and RV. But first we have to draw the diagram. That is, you have a rectangular shape. After reading the statement, you can see here that is PQRS. So T is a point on PQ. Once again, T is a point on PQ. So from S, T is a point on PQ such that that is PT is 7 centimeter. PT is 7 centimeter. It is given in your question. And RS is 6. RS is 6 centimeter. That is PS. Sorry, that is PS. PS is 6 centimeter. So in your textbook you can see that is your 6 centimeter. Now RV is perpendicular from R. RV is perpendicular. RV is perpendicular from R to ST. From R to ST. Okay, you can see that here. You can see that is perpendicular distance from. You can see here that is from R to ST. That is a little bit here. So that makes a 90 angle here. We have to find ST. That is, we have to find ST. We have to find this portion. So it means this is your given condition. And what is the value of RV? That is, we have to find the value of RV also. So you can see if we increase this, so for better understanding, that portion will be your so it means you have to find the value of that is calculate the value that is you can see in your question, that is we have to find the value of ST. So it means the value of ST and RV by using Pythagoras theorem, that is because both the values having the same configuration. So since by Pythagoras theorem, what does it mean if we find the value of ST? So it means that the value of ST represent, that is your base, that is your altitude, that is your C. It means we have to find C. So since C square is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square. So putting the values, that is the value of A is 6 and the value of B is, that is 7, and that is your C square. 6 6 are 36, 49. So the value of C square is if I need the value of C only, not square, so you will get 9.22 centimeter. So the value of C is actually that is your ST. The value of that is your ST. So 9.22. Now the other portion, which is not possible, but we have to try it, make it possible, that is we have to draw a perpendicular RV on ST. Suppose that perpendicular making a 90 angle, that is your point V, RV. We have to find this RV. That is, if we take this triangle, so once again we can say that is your C, that is your base, and that is your altitude A. So you can see here, that is your this triangle. By considering this triangle, so the total length, that is PQ, is 9 centimeter. So what is the value of this? If total is 9, here is 7, so 9 minus 7, you will get 2 centimeters. So this side is 2, this side is 6. You have to find C. So it means since you have to find RV is equal to actually C. So therefore C, by Pythagoras theorem, C is equal to A square plus B square. So putting the values, the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 2. So 6 6 are 36, that is 4, that is C. So you need the value of C, that is 40 under root. So the value is 6.32 centimeter is your required result. So that is your answer. Now coming to the question number 15. In question number 15, in parallelogram ABCD, the diagonal AC is a right angle to AB. If AB is equal to 12 and BC is equal to 13. So first of all, you have to draw the diagram and write the data. That is BC, it is given to you, that is 13 centimeter. Find the area of the parallelogram. So we have to find area of the parallelogram. But first, according to the given condition, you should draw a parallelogram. That is so make a diagram like this: A, B, C, D. That is your 13 centimeter. It is given to you. That is 12 centimeter. And that is your, we have to find this, that is your also 13, and that one also 12 centimeter. So we have to find this. So it means if we are able to find this side, that is AC, so we are easily calculate the area of the parallelogram, because in our mind we have a formula, that is area of parallelogram that is equal to base into altitude, that is base into altitude. So we have a base that is equal to 12, but we don't have the value of altitude. So if I am able to find the altitude here and putting the value of altitude here, so we can calculate the area of parallelogram. So it means we need the value of AC. If I notify this, that is your base, that is your C hypotenuse, and that is your altitude A. So it means, since by Pythagoras theorem, C square is equal to A square plus B square, you need the value of A. So A square is equal to C square minus B square. So putting the values, that is A, the value of C is 13 square, and the value of B is 12 square. So that is your 169, that is your 144. So the value of A is under root. So you should minus it, and you will get 25. So the value of A is 5 centimeter. So the value of altitude is 5. So you should put here this 5 here, that is you have calculated the value. So you can easily find the area of parallelogram, that is 60 centimeter square. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 16. Question number 16. A rectangle is 7 centimeter wide. Once again, rectangle. You have to draw the configuration first. That is your rectangle, and that is your hypotenuse. You see, that is your 7 centimeter is wide, and the length of a diagonal is 25 centimeter. So the diagonal is 25 centimeter. So it means if that is your A, B, C, so that is your C, that is your base B, or that is your altitude A. So very much clear and very much easy question. Only you have to find the value of B. So it means the value of A is 7 centimeter, the value of B we have to find, and C is 25 centimeters, since by Pythagoras theorem, that is C square is equal to A square plus B square. So you will get you need the value of B square, so that's why you have to put the values, that is C is 25 square minus A, the value of A is 7. So remove the sign, square sign, so you will get 576 under roots. The value of B is 24 centimeter. So the base value is 24 centimeter. It means we have to find the area of the so in second portion he told we have to find the area of this rectangle. So we have a formula as area of given figure or rectangle is equal to length into width. So we have length which is equal to just we have calculated 24, and width is given, that is 7. So multiply it, you will get 168 centimeter square, that is your area. So that is the required result. Now coming to the question number 17. In question number 17. Three integers a, b, c with a less than b less than c are said to form a Pythagorean triple. Pythagorean triple. So this is a very important thing, that is Pythagorean theorem you have to write, that is Pythagorean triple. So Pythagorean triples you have to find. That is given condition is, that is 6, 8, 10 in a part. If you have been given, show that 6, 8, 10 form a Pythagorean triple. That is in part A part, that is 6, 8, 10. So we have to calculate this. So it means first of all you have to make that it satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. If it is satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, so it is known as Pythagorean triple. For example, you have to find the square of it. The value of square is the 6 square, you will get 36, you will get 64, and you will get 100 if you say the 10 square. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Since c square is equal to a square plus b square, if this satisfied this, so you will be able to say that these are the Pythagorean triples. So you know that if I put the values here, that is your a square, the value of a square is, and the value of b square and the value of c square is 100. So I have to put here, for example, that is your a, that is your b, that is your c. So putting the values, c is 100 and that one is a is 36 plus 64. You see that 100 is equal to 100, so it's satisfied. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. We can say that they are Pythagorean triples. So therefore you can say that they are Pythagorean triples. That is your answer. Similarly, the other part also given to you, that is 12 and 16, and you can say in B part form a Pythagorean triple. In B part, okay, in B part we have to form a Pythagorean triple, that is 12 and 16. You can see in your textbook. So it means the given condition is that is in which first two integer 12 and 16. Okay, you can see here. So Pythagorean triples, that is your in B part, but in first portion one is 12 and the other is 16. Okay, 12 taking square, similarly plus 16, that is your AB, A square. So 144 plus 256, so you will get 400. So what does it mean? 400 means you can say that 20 square. So it means you can say that this is also known, or we have formed a Pythagorean triple, because 20, 12, 16 and third integer will be here 20. So you can say the 20 is unknown digit. By using this we can say this is also a Pythagorean triples. So that is your answer. So similarly, the other parts, the second portion is also by the same methodology that is given to you in second portion. The last integer is 25. If last integer is 25, that is your second portion. Last integer is 25. Now what should we do? We have to take the square of 25. You have to take square, so it means 625. So it means 625. What does it mean? So you have to segregate it. That is 225 and plus that is plus 400. So it means it will give you 15 and it will give you 20 whole square. So you can say that this is your 25 whole square. So you can form the Pythagorean triples. That is one is 15, second is 20, third is 25. So that is your required result. Similarly, in C portion, first part is given to you, that is first is 3n and the second is 4n. Okay, taking square, 4n square plus 4n square, 3n square plus 4n square, so you will get it means 9n square plus 16n square, you will get 25n square. Similarly, in second case, you have been given, that is 35. So taking the square, 35 square is equal to 1, 2, 2, 5. So segregate it. Once again, make a two pair, that is 4, 4, 1 plus 7, 8, 4. So you will get 21 square plus 28 square. So by using calculator you can find, and that is your 35 square. So it means Pythagorean triple are 21, 28. So therefore Pythagorean triple are 21, 28 and third one is 35. So that is your answer. Now coming to the D portion. In D portion, that is number 1, when n is equal to 24 and 1 plus n is equal to 49. So what does it mean? You can write 1 plus n is equal to 7 square, you can write as. So it means 7, 24 and 25 form a Pythagorean triple. So 7 and 24 and 25, because you can see in this given condition it is a Pythagorean theorem. If you read the statement, that is D portion, so it means similarly in second portion, we cannot get Pythagorean triple in the same way as in, because that is 1 plus 2n is equal to 42, and 42 is not a perfect square. So if we read the statement, so in this case we cannot get we can't get the Pythagorean triple. Okay, because because 42 is given, that is 1 plus 2n is equal to 42, but the 42 is not a perfect square, that's why it is not possible. Similarly, in third portion, first integer is 9, the other integer is differ by 1. It is given in your textbook, that is for example, we say that first integer is equal to 9 and the other two differs, two integers differ by 1. So you can say that these integers are that is 41 and 40, because only differ by 1, 40 and 41 you can say. So it means if you take the square of 41 you will get 1681, and if you take the square of 9, so it means it is you are equal to 81. So now you can say that 1681 is equal to 81 plus 1600. So you will get that is make a Pythagorean triple, so reverse it. So 81 can be written as 9 square, and 16 can be written as 40 square, and 161 can be written as 41 square. So it means 9, 40 and 41 are the triples. Therefore 9, 40 and 41 will be the triples, Pythagorean triples. So that is your answer. So we have completed exercise 6b. I hope that it will be much helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.